Screw the 4 PP casters into the bottom of 4 lower poles. Snap the plastic clips into the grooves of poles at your desired positions. Make sure the arrow on the plastic clips are pointed up. Please make sure that you have the wire shelf the correct way up. Keep the gap in collar face down. At least install it up to the dashed line position. Hold the wire shelf on its side and slide the top of 4 poles through the bottom of the wire shelf at its corners until there is a snug fit, and then set the wire shelf upright. Snap plastic clips into the pole grooves of lower poles at your desired shelf height position. Slide shelf down from top downward onto plastic clips. Screw the central poles with connector into the lower poles. Repeat the above steps until all shelves are securely fastened to the clips. Finish by putting the PP mat on each shelf. Put the clip together using the screw and the ring. Install the clips on the lamp first. Option 1. Hanging with cable ties. Option 2. Fixed with adjustable hanging chains. Wire connection. Before installation, disconnect the power supply. Cover the dust cap before powering on to prevent electric shock and dust entry. Keep power cords and connecting wires neatly organized with hook and loop tape. Install the tent. Prepare the timer for use. Lift all pins up to clear any previous settings. Setting on /off times. Press down on the pins for the time range of when you want the timer to turn on. Push down all of the pins between 7 a.m. and 6 p.m. Setting the time. Turn the dial clockwise until the arrow points at your current time. Use the switch on the side of the timer to toggle to clock mode. Plug it into 3-prong socket and the timer starts working.